Yeah, hello everyone. A very good evening. As everyone is requesting me, Sharat, you just tell about the Apache tools for big data analytics, or it is the normal data analysis. So here I am. So maybe I will upload this video to the YouTube also. Yeah, you can have a look if you visit my channel. Fine. Anyhow, I'll be sending you the link for my channel. Okay, so now we will go through what are all the tools, Apache tools uh, we have for data analysis. Okay, especially big data analysis, right? So, yes. So, yeah, we know we do have ETL pipelines, we do have other data pipelines where we ingest the data that we fetch, I mean, collect the data and we process it. The process may be cleaning, or the process may be some kind of transformation or anything. Okay, and then we safely store that transformed data, cleaned data into the data warehouses. It is a regular procedure, we all know. And yes, if you want to analyze the data, you need some other tool. Okay, so whatever the data, it may be in a OLTP database, or it may be in a data warehouse. What you need a tool to analyze. Right. So what are all the tools we have from the Apache side? Right. The first and the most powerful tool, even I like this tool a lot, that is Apache Spark. Okay. So when you compare Spark with Hadoop, uh, Spark is it has a land shift difference between Hadoop and Spark. And yeah, Spark is very fast as compared with the Hadoop. Okay, though it may be the operations of reading and writing, uh, or it may be in terms of kind of data it can handle. So many advantages that Spark have. Okay, and then Flink is majorly used for batch streaming. Okay, so Flink can able to process what we call the high amounts of data with a very low latency. Okay, as we have seen, as I have already told, whenever I'm comparing Spark and Hadoop, the Hadoop is also for big data analytics. Most of you might have known MR, MapReduce, is the one which we use for data analysis. Though if you go to cloud, it may be Elastic MapReduce, EMR, especially in case of AWS. Okay, so yes, Hadoop is the first one, the foundational thing for all the big data analysis. It is the first full-fledged powerful tool which came into the existence for big data analytics. Okay, and then we do have Apache Beam. Okay, Beam actually uh, it cannot run on its own. It need a Spark or Flink background, or you may use Google Data Flow also. Okay, so on top of this softwares, it will run. Okay, and it can process the batch data. Okay, and sometimes it may be batch plus stream data. Right, data ingestion tools what Apache is providing. Okay, right, we know what is data ingestion. We might have different sources of data in our data collection. Okay, so how do this data is fetched from the sources to the our what we call to the staging area, you may think. Okay, so there are few tools that are available for ingestion. Okay, the ingesting the data. The number one is Kafka. Yeah, most of the people use Apache Kafka these days. Okay, it is a very good streaming platform, event streaming platform. Okay, it offers you nice pipelines, and as well as it offers you service for analytics also. Okay, and NiFi is a little more powerful tool, you may say. Okay, we will have a visual uh, load management. Okay, and when you use NiFi, it is really very easy to ingest and transform the data. Okay, Scoop we have. Scoop is the one which transfers the data between Hadoop and RDBMS. That means if data is present in relational databases, what it will do, it will collect the data and supply it to the Hadoop. That is what the thing with Scoop. And then we do have Flume. Okay, It is also a ingestion tool for Hadoop. And then, yeah, data storage and querying tools. Right, most of you might have known this. This is the old tool, that is Apache Hive. Hive is like SQL kind of commands we do have for Hive. You can use it, okay, and you can query the data that is present. Okay, it is kind of a Hadoop integration where uh, you can query the data that is present in the Hadoop. Okay, so it is mostly suitable for batch processing only. So HBase. So we know HDFS is also a part of Hadoop. Okay. In the HDFS, the real-time read and write operations will happen. Okay. So yes, the what is HBase is HBase is the NoSQL base on HDFS. Okay. And then we do have Cassandra. Cassandra is a famous distributed NoSQL DB. Okay. So Cassandra is actually a product of Apache. And then we do have some other NoSQL DBs these days. Okay. But Cassandra is a product of Apache. And then Druid we have, it is also mostly used for OLEP analytics databases. Okay. So Druid is a OLEP database, which is offered by the, what we call Apache, right? So you can see here, there is something called a SQL-like, there is something called NoSQL-like, and then you do have something completely distributed NoSQL database. And then apart from OLTP, now you have OLEP database from Apache. And then you do have Kudu. Kudu is a column storage engine. Okay, it is also like a NoSQL database. But thing is that you can have a dynamic analytics interface over here in Kudu. You can actually see the data. You can actually get a what we call picture of analytics. Okay, with the data that is coming in. Okay, with on real-time data, that the data which is continuously varying. Okay, you can have a picture on Kudu. These are all the querying and analytics tools that we have in Apache. Then governance and security. Okay, fine. We do have Apache Atlas for metadata management and governance. Okay, it tracks the data, what kind of data we are getting, how the data is, all those things it will be uh, taken care of, right? And then we do have Apache Ranger. It is a centralized security framework. Okay, you will have the fine-grained access control. So Ranger is also have quite few applications. And then we do have yeah, these days these things are famous now. Yeah, the machine learning and graph processing. Apache Mahout is one platform where every whatever the machine learning algorithms that we use in our day-to-day life, every algorithm is available in Apache Mahout. So this is a platform that supports all the clustering, classification, and also recommendations, right? And we do have something called Apache System ML. Okay, System ML is something, it is a platform. It automatically optimizes the execution plans. It works with Spark. Okay, and then we do have Apache Giraffe. Giraffe is a graph processing framework. Okay, so you can do a large scale graph analytics. Mostly Giraffe is used in case of NoSQL databases, right? And then we do have searching and indexing. Yeah, Apache Solar is something that offers a full text search, okay, faceted search and indexing. So what indexing will do? Usually it makes the search a bit better, a bit faster. And then we do have Apache Lucene, which have this core indexing and search libraries. So yes, these two are the search engines from the Apache. They're quite powerful when you compare with the other things. Okay, and yes, there are other tools also which are present in Apache, right? So I think those are all the tools. I try to list out all the available tools. I mean, the tools which have the popular tools, you may call them. Okay, the popular Apache tools I have just listed out and just mentioned you. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video.